Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zamaya Inayatus from class 1A Accounting. Here I will explain how to use count and COUNTA to count transactions. The count and COUNTA function have the same purpose, which is to count the amount of data in a range. However, in their use, there is a specific difference between count and COUNTA. The count function can only count data in number format, while COUNTA counts all types of data such as number, text, and dates. Here are the steps for using count and COUNTA. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Next, create a new blank worksheet. Then, type the transaction data in the column. Here, I have already created the transaction data. Now, click on an empty cell where you want to display the count result. Type equals count and then highlight the column B2 until B11. To count how many transactions are in numeric form, press Enter and Excel will display the total number of numeric transactions, and drag to the right to find out the amount of data in each column. Here, the result in column 1 and 2 show 0 because those columns do not contain numbers. Meanwhile, column 3 and 4 show 10 because those columns contain numbers. Next, click another empty cell for the COUNTA result. Type equals COUNTA and then highlight the column B2 and B11. To count a file cell including text and numbers, press Enter to see how many transactions are recorded in total. Then drag to the right to see the data in each column. Here it can be seen that all columns show a total of 10. Note that count only counts numbers, while COUNTA counts all file cells. Lastly, save the Excel file that the transaction data remains set. That is my explanation about using the count and COUNTA formulas. I hope this video is useful and I apologize if there are any mistakes in pronunciation or during the demonstration. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.